In the previous video, we got it working using CLI, and then we get the simulator happening here. So one of the things that did generate was the Xcode project, and I'm just going to bring that up over here. And here's what that looks like. And if we just double click on it, it'll launch it into Xcode. And here's our file loaded into Xcode, the myTestApp file, and there's two www folders. The first one is in the root, and this is the one where we do our changes, and whatever we do here we have to build in terminal. Now the other www folder is in staging, and whatever we do here we can build in Xcode. It's one or the other. Just take note that if whatever we build in here within the staging and then we happen to build via terminal, this is going to replace what's in here. So something to keep in mind. So for now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just run simulator and press play, and it'll open up simulator. And there it is. Now there could be some errors that'll pop up along the way, like that one, and usually relating to the icons, but that may not happen this time around. Well, there we go, icon, that's good. Well, that's bad, but that can be fixed later on. For now we can ignore that because we just want it to run through the simulator. There we go, simulator is launched, and we'll wait for it to load. Still loading, so I'm going to pause it a bit more until we actually get to the screen. And there we go. So we see here it's finished running myTestApp on iPhone 5s, and there it is in iPhone 5s. So we can choose any one of these simulators to run from, but we're not going to do that. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it on my phone that is attached to my computer right now. So whenever you attach it, it'll actually show up in Xcode. So we're going to do that next. Let's just switch that over to James' phone, and it's the same procedure as the simulator. Just press the play button, and what it'll do is it'll transfer the files over to the phone. I'm going to pause it because we don't need to see all this. But wait, we do need to see this. So this is relating to the code signing issue, and I've done this before. I've gone through this before. I'm going to click Fix Issue, and here it's going to say Apple ID account. I'm going to add it. That's fine. I have an Apple ID account, and I'm going to put in my information. So after filling out the form, I then get this. Your account already has a valid iOS development certificate. And what we could do here is that we can import it. And in the past I've done both. I've imported it and I've also reset it. Now that we have our profiles in place, I can then press the play button and then it'll run. I'm going to say click issue. It's going to resolve the code signing issues. And it'll go straight to my phone at this point. And so the build succeeded. I'm looking at my phone, and I see myTestApp. Now you can't see this, but I can see it. And I touch it, and there it is. It's built. So it's working great.